malalaman nyo mamaya kung paano po ako nabuntis after my Missed Miscarriage without any expectation at all. In this video, I would like to share with you my pregnancy experience after I got Missed Miscarriage. If you are watching this video because you have had or had experienced your miscarriage, I'm very sorry. Remember that you're not alone. I want to share my pregnancy story after my pregnancy loss to encourage others or even to you as well. First of all, I had my Missed Miscarriage last year, 2021 in September. If you want to watch full details of my Missed Miscarriage story, you can watch the video on the screen here. So what do you mean by Missed Miscarriage? Missed Miscarriage means when a fetus or a baby is no longer alive in your womb. Kumbaga, wala nang buhay ang baby sa ating womb. So what did I feel when I was told that the heartbeat of the baby stopped already? Well, hindi ko makakalimutan yung shock and guilt. I was filled with a roller coaster emotions. Nandoon yung talagang sense of shock talaga at feeling ko nanghihina na ako, nalalamig na ako. Kasi hindi ako makapaniwala na nawala na yung heartbeat ng baby ko. All of a sudden, wala akong naramdamang symptoms at all. And yung guilt naman, kasi I felt na as a mom, responsibility kong i-take care yung baby in my womb. Though, naramdaman ko yung sense of sadness, shock, and guilt, and fear. I never questioned God why my baby got lost. Yeah, I just said, Lord, I know that your plan is greater than my plan. And I know that it's for my own good. And one thing that I'm grateful for is that because of God's word that is already planted in my heart, mas naninindigan yung salita ng Panginoon. And I remember His word says, "Fear not, for I am with you." I was consoled and encouraged instead of panicking. And I hope that this will encourage you too, who suffered the same thing. It says that women who experience pregnancy loss tend to undergo these kinds of emotion, and it's normal. So it's okay to grieve or to cry, to feel sad. I just want to tell you, please don't blame yourself because of what had happened. Let's completely trust in the Lord to take over our lives. He knows what we are going through. Na kahit negative ang result ng na-experience natin sa buhay, God says that all things work together for good to those who love Him. Alam niyo mga kapatid, through this painful experience of mine, I've learned to trust the Lord fully, and my faith is strengthened more and more. I pray that God will give you comfort too in this difficult time. How did I get pregnant after a couple of months of Missed Miscarriage? I said in my intro na malalaman nyo kung paano ako nabuntis. It's not because I used to track my ovulation. It's not because I drink my vitamin supplements and eat a healthy diet. Please don't get me wrong. These are all good tools to have a chance to conceive and have a healthy pregnancy in the future. In fact, I tried all of these things. How I got pregnant is because of God. God gave. Having a baby is really a God-given gift. It's not up to us. It is God who gives life. No matter what we do, it's really up to God. All we need to do is to trust Him. Nandun yung sadness when I saw the result of my PT before and I was trying to conceive. But as we trust in the Lord, for sure He will carry us through. As it says in Psalms chapter 55 verse 22, "Cast your burden upon the Lord, and He will sustain you." I can say this because I experienced trying to conceive for 4 months. after my Missed Miscarriage. I use flow ups, kit to track my ovulation. I also drink vitamin supplements and eat balanced diet. I did all of these things, but it didn't work out. I just prayed, Lord, let your will be done. That's the time I totally focused my eyes upon Him, and my desire to have another baby is no longer my priority. I was asked by a friend, when will be the next baby? I just said, I don't know if I can still bear a child, but it's up to God if He will give me another baby or not. I would be very grateful, whatever His plan for me. Yun lang yung sagot ko. With me, after 6 months of Missed Miscarriage, I got pregnant unexpectedly. It was when a time that my grandma passed away and that I need to go back to my home country, Philippines. I brought my 2-year-old daughter without knowing that I'm pregnant. Imagine how stressful it is to process our papers in urgent so that we can go back to Philippines. So I realized that it's not our own effort, but it's really a gift from above. I'm now week 28 pregnant, and my due date will be in December 2022. Ipapakita ko ngayon baby bump ko gaano nakalaki. Ito na po siya. 28 weeks. Sana hindi po kayo mawalan ng pag-asa. There is so much Jesus. Always remember that. Praying that I can deliver this child safely. Who's ever watching this video, I hope that my story will comfort you and give you hope. Always remember that it is God who gives life. All we need to do is to trust Him in everything. Okay, this is the end of today's video. My friend, mga kapatid, I would love to hear your thoughts. Did you get pregnant after Missed Miscarriage? Have you experienced pregnancy loss? I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye! Nag-test po ako sa Philippines and it's positive, pero uulitin ko po ngayon for the second time. The result is positive po, and I really can't help but to thank God for this, for giving me a chance again to get pregnant. I pray that God will gonna guide me through this pregnancy. Kung ano reaction niya, I'm going to tell him the truth about my baby.
얼마나 유튜브 기다려. 네,怖いな.何それ?
근데 나는
네? 네?
彼でしょこれ
어? 어? Second baby? 어세? 어?
To make sure you leave nothing behind is